Karbi Anglong number 2 Amri constituency angkang umpanai along ta kedam tang achiklo ni phai koraisi ani bo thalangso along ke padopon son thotsi puthot thang achiklo ni phai korai ni ani ta umpanai along APHLC asong pen mass rally ke padopon thu labangso rally ke deng ponang ko katheke nona porho Eastern Nagaland Kamatapur lapen kachar anathu sitame semi secreted ki PSI deng pon bom sitame ilitum Karbi Anglong alat mate tribal aratum aphan pusitame India Constitution along 1969 ahupen Article 244A labangso nang panung ko khangjang lasi nonapor ahut ilitum Karbi lapen tribal arat ke do al sitame nang titodun nang ji labangso hemprek ke hang along sita puthot sitame Assam Police lapen CRPF atum pe kipasik sakdun lilo kopi potsi Assam Police lapen CRPF atum aphong pasik sakdun verlo Karbi tribal so phan Assam along riar loke jakong padolong le po phan tong aphong Assam Police atum ke pasik sakdun verke Karbi do anta matha dam mimi alam lo sita APHLC asong tumpen Karbi Anglong hemprek kilong vekje phan se alang litum labangso akam ki claim pusi num 20 bothalangso amai phu Bikrom hanse pen ningje pon West Karbi Anglong pen Gretson Timor report News 18 Difu
Her Excellency, their officers are blocking our democratic protest. We cannot demand our rights. Being an Indian, we cannot hold anything protest. They are blocking us. DC of West Karbi Anglong, SP of West Karbi Anglong, BJP government tinta milai amar protest block police. They are supervised by the BJP RSS. Those police are supervisors of RSS Bongo Sinas. They are now blocking the protest of the hillside people. This is truly we are going to protest. 100% there is no violence. Yes, I promise you. See, you are giving word. Yeah. Democratic protest.
We will not do anything, sir.
Agok ami follow kori ase. Yes.
Yes. Agok thakok. Apnaloge agok thakok.
Yes.
Ba pisot thakok. Ami kuno koriম. Ami violence koriম. Guarantee দিছো.
He is hired and आप रुक जाइए. I respect you. He is hired and एक बार रुक जाइए. एक बार परमिशन ये कर लेते हैं.
हम लोग जा रहा है, छोड़ दो ये रास्ता. छोड़ दो.
This process we are going. Okay.
With the West Karbi Anglong magistrate, and he told that it is a disputed area and the election is going on in the state of Meghalaya. Then this is still more, still 64 kilometers something till the border.
Yeah, to reach
So
the border.
what do you say about this?
Even the district administration is confused. Where is the exact border location, or so to say? Because see, the place where we hold our rally today is in umpanai market. So from umpanai market to Meghalaya border is almost like 60 to 65 kilometers ahead from here. So there is no point of affecting the election environment here. The election was held now, is going to have now in Meghalaya, of course, for the assembly election. But I don't know how it's going to impact here. It is the confusion from the part of the administration side, or it is intentionally showing us that to block the protest, democratic protest, pretending to be the border, what they say, district. They said it is a border district, so no any protest or democratic protest could not be conducted during on or off of that assembly election of Meghalaya. So it is totally wrong. There is different issue here in Assam, in Karbi Anglong and the Mahasa. We have a very serious issue, Articles 244A, which should be implemented in the year 1969, but so far it is not implemented. On the other hand, the Eastern Nagaland, and then the Kamatapur, and then from the Kachar side, Barak Valley, many secretariat has already been granted. So why the government of India and the state government is looking us in a very, stepmother, or behavior. So that is our protest today. So we will continue. We will continue in a democratic process. We will just follow the constitution as per the sixth schedule. What are our demands? We will keep on demanding, and this message has to reach out to the President of India and the government of India. That's what